All right, welcome back to part 2 of our PowerPoint presentation. We left off on step 3 of how to write a personal narrative. So we're going to move on to step 4, my new slide, table, and content. So step 4 in writing a personal narrative is to write a draft. Once again, I'm going to hover over my icon, click Insert Video, YouTube, Episode 4, Personal Narrative, is right here, writing a draft. I click on that, I click Insert, and here it is. So once again, I'm going to maneuver my window so that I have a lot of space for the video to show. Okay, I move on. You can tell here that we're just doing the same steps over and over. Step 5 in writing a personal narrative is to write a closing. Again, I'll just reiterate that this would be a multi-day process, that we would be watching the video clip, brainstorming as a class, and then giving students time to write. So here we are looking for writing a closing. Let's try that again. I'll expand my window. If I lose my buttons, I just need to re-click on my object. Okay. All right, slide 6. Excuse me, step 6. In writing a personal narrative is to revise. And of course, this video will address how we revise. Revising right here. We're going to find episode 6, revising, narrative writing. Okay, I've just lost it here. This is my editing, which is my last step. Okay, let's try searching for something, a different title. Let's see if it comes up this way. Okay, well, I might have to find that then in my YouTube, go into YouTube for that. This, I have not had that come up, or it has not given me all my episodes, because that is something I researched before that. Okay, so let's go in here to my YouTube. Episode 6, Personal Narrative for Kids. Here we go. Okay, so I don't want to watch this necessarily. I just want to copy the URL.
Let me show you how I did it.
Go back to PowerPoint.
This video is sponsored by
And close that. And after I typed in that address, let's see if I can get it to find. Okay, so here it is. So I will click on that, insert, okay, and here we go. I will expand my window, center it on my slide, and my last slide, here we go, for my final step. Title and content. Step 7 in writing a personal narrative is to edit. So again, I will go to my icon of inserting a video. Step 7, personal narrative. And I have editing. Try it again. Expanding my window again. Okay, so that is my final slide. Now, a couple of things that I want to finish with this presentation is to go over transitions. Okay, transitions is a way to go from slide to slide in a creative way. So right now, none is a default. If I click on morph, it shows me the tool, how to do that. We're having some technical difficulties here with this. Let's try it again. So if I select morph, right here with my slides, if I can get that to, it's freezing up here. Okay, so my transition star is outside my viewing window, but I would have a star on each slide that I have a transition on. So slide 9, I'm just going to pick different ones. Reveal. Slide 8, cut. Slide 7, wipe. Slide 6, push. So you can just do all sorts of different choices, starting from the beginning. I can do a shape. There's just lots of fun ones. Random bars. Slide 3, let's pick a different one. How about honeycomb? Kind of fun. Slide 4, how about we do split? It just shows different ways to transition from slide to slide. And the last one I'll do here, slide 6, is fade. Another point to make a presentation more effective here is in our Insert tab. We're going to just add a slide number. Excuse me. So I just insert slide number. I get my header and footer box. I'm going to click on slide number and click Apply to All. You'll notice here that my slide number shows up in the bottom right corner. Another simple tool to use to enhance a presentation, under Review, we want to do ABC spelling check. It says it's done. I'm good to go. I say OK. Now, I've done my work. How do I show my slideshow? I will click Slideshow. I have a choice of from beginning or from current slide. Let's just do from current slide. And then I will use my mouse click to go from slide to slide. You'll see how the slide number changes. You'll also see how the transition goes. And then to be completely done, I won't go through all of it. Well, I suppose I can right now. We're done. That's the end of the slideshow. The last thing I want to do is save. Again, I'm going to save as a PDF so that any computer user can view this on any computer. So I'll go to my File tab, Save As, and I am saving it in my thumb drive. So this PC, I am going to browse for my USB drive. What is a personal narrative is the title, and the file type, I'm going to select on PDF, and I will click Save. And that is how you finish a PowerPoint presentation. I hope this is very helpful to you.